Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Trader Joe's haul and all my meal prep for the weekend. So I'm just gonna put it all into one video because I figured it would get pretty long if I just added it into my vlog. All right, so I'm gonna start with the Trader Joe's haul. I have 3 pretty big bags. I got a lot of random things that you can only get at Trader Joe's and not stuff that I would usually get like on a normal grocery shopping trip. So I figured I would show you guys the stuff that I want to try. So I got this low-fat chicken chow mein, just a little freezer meal. I got some frozen pineapple for smoothies. I got these Thai sweet chili veggie burgers. These are so good. I absolutely love these. They're amazing. I got these Philly cheesesteak bao buns. I'm not exactly sure how to say that, but I thought they looked good. I thought it would be a good, I got 2 of those. I thought it would be a good like appetizer-y night kind of snack. I got 2 things of frozen salmon. I got some lentils. These are like the ready to eat ones, hot or cold. I love those. I got some frozen asparagus. I always get a ton of frozen stuff when I go to Trader Joe's just because they have the best frozen section. I got vegetable fried rice. I got this quinoa with vegetables. And I got these Asian vegetables in soy sauce. And then I just got some more salmon. This one was just from the freezer section, so I think I'm gonna make that tonight for dinner. And then I got 3 of these things of chicken that I'll stick in the crock pot and shred for like tacos. So I got 3 of those. And then I also got 99% fat-free ground turkey. So that is the first bag. Second bag of things. I got these everything crackers. We've had these before with cheese and they are so good. I got these corn chip dippers. Everyone says these are amazing, so I'm excited to get them. I got 4 mangoes. There's another one in there. I love mangoes and I've been on such a mango kick. I got some little bell peppers for snacking and for tacos. Here's the other mango. I got some cheddar cheese slices for the everything crackers. I got some sweet potatoes and some romaine lettuce for some tacos. And then I got the cold brew coffee concentrate. I've been wanting to try this for so long, so I decided to get it and see if I like it. And then last thing in this bag is the pineapple salsa. Guys, this salsa is so good. You have to get it, it's amazing. All right, last bag, and then we are done. First thing I got is pumpkin bagels, guys. I'm so excited for these. I think they're gonna be amazing. I love a pumpkin flavored thing. And then I also got cinnamon raisin bagels. I got some salted cashews. I love cashews, they're my favorite thing to snack on. I got these jicama wraps, jicama, I think it might be jicama wraps, to try out with the tacos that I'm going to make. So hopefully those are good. And then I got some mini cucumbers to snack on. I got some strawberries. I got 2 things of the beefless ground. I got some more pitted dates. I love having these as like a sweet snack with peanut butter and chocolate chips on top. So good. And then last thing I got is just 2 bags of almond flour. I use almond flour for any type of like baking that I do, and I was out and I want to make banana bread this weekend, so I got the almond flour for that. And that is everything that I got. So when I do meal prep this weekend, I will show you guys exactly what I make with all of this, and if I make anything else for meal prep for the week with some of the stuff that I already have in the kitchen, I will show you guys. But this looks insane, so I need to put all of this away now. I decided for this video, I'm just gonna show you guys everything that I'm cooking this weekend instead of just my meal prep. I'm making banana bread right now because I have extra bananas and I don't like them when they get too brown. So, making banana bread, I will put the full recipe in the description because I'm gonna watch Love Island while I make the banana bread. So I'll just show you guys what I am doing. So I'll show you guys all of the ingredients that I use because I go a little bit different than the recipe that I got online, but this is just 1 cup of oats that I put in the NutriBullet, and then you just blend it up to make it into like an oat flour. And then you need almond flour, or you can use any other type of flour. You need maple syrup. I just use a sugar-free one. You need cinnamon, vanilla. What else do we got? Coconut oil, which I already melted. Baking soda, baking powder, which I have to get out of the cabinet. And then bananas, obviously. And you need chocolate chips. So I use these Enjoy Life semi-sweet mini chocolate chips. These are vegan chocolate chips. This is actually a vegan banana bread recipe. And I'm not vegan, I just think it tastes really good. So I am going to make this and I'll show you guys what I'm doing. The banana bread is still cooking in the oven. I honestly just check it a couple times. I never have it in for like an exact time. I just keep checking it. But I'm gonna start making dinner now. So I'm making some salmon. So I just stuck it on this cooking tray, and this is the salmon that I got from Trader Joe's. I just sprayed some olive oil down, and I'm going to be using this teriyaki sauce and just putting it on top of the salmon. And then with it, I'm going to make the vegetable fried rice, and I'm just gonna do that in the microwave. So the instructions are on the back. You literally stick it in like a container and stick it in the microwave. So I'm going to put the teriyaki sauce on the salmon and then put it in the oven for like 15 minutes and just keep checking it until it's done. This is the final product of dinner. So we have the teriyaki salmon and then the vegetable fried rice. I decided that I would start some meal prep, so I don't have like a complete plan of what I'm making for this week, just because it is a shorter week since Labor Day is Monday. So technically we only have like 4 days that I have to be like really prepped for. So I'm just kind of doing like random things. So I think I'm gonna do rice bowls. I also have tacos, and then I'm gonna do salmon with sweet potatoes and vegetables. So if there's anything else, I'm just gonna make stuff throughout the week, like if we run out of this stuff. But I just did some of the meal prep, and I figured I would show you guys. So this is the ground turkey. It's 99% lean ground turkey. And then this is the beefless ground from Trader Joe's. I'm not vegan, I just like to switch it up sometimes and have like vegan options. So I'm gonna use this for this week, and then Kyle will use the ground turkey. And then I also just cut up some bell peppers and some cucumbers to snack on. I'm also going to use the bell peppers for the tacos so we can stick them on top, or for the rice bowls. And then the cucumbers I'll use for either like salads or just to snack on. I like to have them with salt and mixed tomato in there too. So that's what we have going on right now. I also took out the salmon to thaw because they are the frozen ones from Trader Joe's. I think I'm gonna get some more salmon from the store because we eat salmon pretty quickly. And then last thing I am going to do for this morning is make the sweet potatoes. So I just have to cut those up and then stick them in the oven. Oh, and for the ground turkey, I just used this taco seasoning. It is from BJ's, someone that I always use. I just get the big one from BJ's because I like taco seasoning and we go through it pretty quickly. That's what's going on right now. I'm gonna do the sweet potatoes and I'll show you guys once I have them all cut up and on the pan to put in the oven. The sweet potatoes are cut and ready to go into the oven. So all I put on here was olive oil, salt, a little bit of pepper, and then cinnamon. So cinnamon is the key ingredient for the sweet potatoes. So I'm gonna put these in the oven on 400 degrees and just keep checking them until they're ready. I would say like a half hour maybe. I don't know, I don't really check. I honestly just keep looking at them until they're cooked. Next thing I did was just wash and cut the tops off of the strawberries, put those into a container, and then I just opened a can of black beans and drained them and put them into a container. I'll use these for the tacos and taco bowls, and then the strawberries I'll just snack on. I've been liking doing fruit bowls in the mornings, so I have blueberries in there already, and then I have strawberries, and I have some mangoes over here. I just cut the mangoes as they get ripe. These aren't ripe yet. I decided to get them not ripe so that they would be good throughout the week. Sweet potatoes are done. I think they were in the oven for like 45 minutes. It definitely just depends on how you cut them, of how long it's gonna take. So just keep checking them until they are cooked. But that is going to be it for the meal prep that I'm doing this morning. All right, another thing for meal prep, I have the Trader Joe's chicken that was marinated, the one that I showed in the Trader Joe's haul. And I'm just sticking it in the crock pot on low until it's cooked enough for me to be able to shred it. And then we'll have this with tacos and different taco bowls. The last of the meal prep, I just shredded the chicken. I'm gonna let that sit for like 5 or 10 more minutes. And that is done. And then I'm just prepping some salmon. So I have a ton of salmon. This looks crazy, but Kyle and I eat salmon pretty quickly, so I wanted to make sure that I got enough. And then I just marinated it in the Sweet Baby Ray's sweet teriyaki sauce. So I just put the oven on 350 and I'm going to put it in the oven for like 15 to 20 minutes, or just like keep checking it until it's done. That is going to be it for this video. I'm all done meal prepping for the week. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.